Hello friends, today I am going to review a knife which is actually made in India. Now you can see that I have shown here lots of knives here, and most of them are made in European countries and one is made in Japan. These are actually, you can say that these are the top notch knives which are actually in the mid budget knives, top notch mid budget knives which are used by the people all over the world. Okay, in comparison to that, today I am going to review this knife. This knife is actually made in India, in a particular state of India. It is made in Kerala. Okay, by a particular industry, which is Ramchandran industry. They make different kind of cutleries and different kind of agricultural implements. So I have actually shown all these knives only to make comparison with these. I am not going to review all these knives. Okay. Now among these knives, as you can see that those people who are actually familiar with this knife, this one is a actually fixed blade knife. Those people who are actually familiar with this knife, you can identify that this one is actually Victorinox Hunter Pro silver alox knife. This one is actually Victorinox Pioneer, Swiss Army knife Pioneer. It is multi-tool knife. This is actually a Japanese knife which is known as Higono Kami Dai, okay, or Lord of the Higon knife. This is a Sanmai construction carbon steel knife. This is a very fantastic knife. This one is actually it is made in Britain. It is A. Wright and Sons Limited, Sheffield, England. This is a knife, the Sheffield knife. Okay, and this one is Morak knife or Mora knife. This is a fixed blade knife. I've actually shown in only to compare with all these knives, and other knives are actually folding knives. So let me first of all put away this one. Okay, this is a fixed blade knife. Okay, now the knife that I am talking about, this is actually a folding knife, and it is a carbon steel knife. And if you compare this with a standard issue Swiss Army knife that we use, it is actually a very huge size, robust size knife that actually I am showing here. Okay, now let me first start with let me put away the Swiss Army knife, and let me first start with the dimension of this knife. This knife is in a total 8 inches length. It has a 8 inches length. It has 3.5 inches blade with 3 inches cutting end from its base to its tip. The blade is made by high carbon steel. It is a drop point forged blade with which has a full flat line, and if you see, I have actually seen is quite prominently, and it has shown that the blade is actually a little bit, the edge of the blade is actually, it has a little bit convex grind. It is a completely flat grind, but the edge is actually convex grind. So it made this working edge of this knife strong and tough. The steel is very strong and very tough. It is actually carbon steel, and it has an hardness nearly about, I guess 57 or 56 or nearly about 57 HRC, which is quite good for a pocket knife. The knife handle actually made by brass and a kind of plastic type of material which is actually added in its middle for its better grip. And it has you can see it has a ring or a key ring, or you can say it is a ring for fixing up string or lanyard for the better carrying purposes. Okay, it has a strong steel made back spring which is very strong. The knife is very strong, and it is nicely built, a very heavy and very thick construction. In comparison to the standard issue Swiss Army knife, you can if you see that it is actually a very heavy knife, and it has a much thicker blade. The blade thickness is nearly about almost 4 millimeter, or nearly about 4.5 millimeter. Okay, whereas the Swiss Army knife has a nearly about 2 millimeter thickness blade. Swiss Army knife Pioneer has a 2 millimeter thick blade. The knife is it has a very heavy construction, and I think if you hold this knife, you can feel its strength, you can feel its weight, you can understand how much well constructed it is. Now let me say that before purchasing this knife, I have purchased a lots of knife which are actually made in different European countries, okay, and which are actually so-called top-notch knives. But before purchasing this made in India knife, I didn't think that it will be so good, so amazingly good. But after purchasing this knife, I am completely satisfied with its quality and its construction and craftsmanship, and I think that this is a quite cheap knife. If you compare this knife to other knives, this is a quite cheap knife, and I can say that being a cheap knife, it actually fulfills all the criteria for being a good everyday use pocket knife for moderate to even heavy purposes, and for the woodworking and regular cutting purposes. And now if you beat this knife with a hammer, and if you beat the handle of the knife with a hammer, it will almost obviously it will break. No knife is indestructible, but still it has a very good construction, and it is made by very good material. Now if you compare the price of this knife to other knives, this knife is only 2000 rupee that I have purchased, and 150 rupee parcel charge that I have to pay to get this knife. But the other knives, you can see this is a Victorinox Pioneer Alox. It is nearly about 2500, almost 2500 rupee if you purchase from Amazon with discount. This knife is that I purchased from Amazon, this knife is nearly about 6000 rupee that I purchased. This knife is Alox version of this Hunter Pro, Victorinox Hunter Pro Alox, is nearly about 6500 rupee, and this knife I bought from Britain, it is nearly about 7000 rupees. So if you compare the price tag of all the other knives, you can see that this knife is quite cheap and very good also. The made in India quality is quite nice. The knife is made by actually as I have told you that it is made in Palakkad region of Kerala by a particular cutlery industry, which is known as Ramchandran industry. They make different kind of cutleries for various purposes. It's pocket knives, from pocket knives to large chopping tools and large knives, and a number of agricultural tools also. If you want to purchase this knife, and I recommend you to purchase this knife. I have used this knife for some days. If you want to purchase this knife, the link, the contact number of the contact person is given in the description of this video. Thank you once again, and I recommend all of you, especially the Indian people, to purchase this knife and support the people who are making this knife, this handmade knife, in their home. Thank you.